All right, we're back again, another status report. So what we've done now, of course, our window's in, you saw that last time. At this time, we've gone through and finished up getting all the electrical wiring. Let me flip the cameras around. Electrical, and then we've also taken, so right up here, we've got fiber coming in for the LAN, for his internet connection, and then right up there, that's all, there's power there for the modem to come in, and then above that are going to be two COM connectors, which we have wires that are running up top here. You can see them in the ceiling here. See all these wires going over. Those are all so that he has hardwired internet. This guy's doing YouTube, but hardwired internet going over right here. It's going to be a high performance router that'll be sitting here. So he has incredible Wi-Fi, but mostly there's 10 gig ports that are going to be sitting up there, so that and then it wires back all the way through this stuff, so that there are spots where internet TV, he'll be able to hardwire that. He's going to have a spot so that he can have his desk, and he has some comm down here. It's hard to see, but that means his desk will be hardwired so that he doesn't have to rely on Wi-Fi. Even though we're going to have an extremely high performance Wi-Fi router in here, he's going to be hardwired in the room, starting with fiber coming in right here to its modem, and then we run a direct connection, Cat6 Ethernet running over to this spot, and then it's all wired up. So it's pretty incredible in terms of connectivity in the wall. We have a brand new insulated door that's coming in here, and one in the other room. So that's all coming together. Power all over the place, internet all over the place, hardwired. Yeah, even on this wall, you can see there's an internet connection. Down here, there's power and there's internet. The box to the left is the internet connection there. So more progress next time. Bye-bye.